Alpitia Plantations plc is a public liability company and one of the premier leaders in the tea plantation sector in Sri Lanka, which is currently managed by the Aitken Spence Plantation Managements plc since the takeover from the Carsons Management in 1997. It consists of 13 estates located in up, mid and low country regions which cover over 8,800 hectares. Our core business is focused on cultivation and manufacturing of tea, rubber, oil palm and coconut. While we have been expanding our operations into palm oil processing, mini hydropower development, manufacturing of specialty tea, ecotourism, timber plantation, leisure, etc. We have tea presence in all three elevations. The upcountry cluster consists of 4 estates, namely Dunsinane, Sheen, Fernlands and Mathakumbara, having a total extent of approximately 2,700 hectares. Mid-country tea estates are in Pusallava region, which has 2 estates, namely New Peacock and Nayapana, having a total extent of approximately 1,100 hectares. The low-country estates give a better balance for the company through the crop diversification. The cluster has 7 estates, namely Thalgaswala, Alpitia, Devithure, Gulugahakanda, Lehelwala, Katandula and Bentota. The low-country cluster covers over 5,000 hectares in the southern province of Sri Lanka. One of the most successful diversification projects in the company is planting oil palm. This gives continuously a significant contribution to the company's profit. Oil palm fresh fruit bunches are supplied to a processing plant called AEN Palm Oil Processing Private Limited, which is a joint venture of Alpitia Plantations plc, Agalavatta Plantations plc and Namunukula Plantations plc. Palm oil has many uses. The principal use is as a source of edible oil. Developing mini hydropower sites which are available on our estate's lands, especially in the upcountry cluster, is another successful diversification area of the company. The first project was commissioned in 2006 and another 2 were commissioned subsequently. 4 more projects are in the pipeline which will also be generating green energy to the national grid. Sourcing of the rarest and finest Chinese specialty tea is another successful business venture of our company. These Chinese specialty teas are manufactured under the Alpitia Dayanghong Jinya Tea Company Private Limited, a joint venture between Alpitia Plantations plc and Dayanghong International Limited, a subsidiary of the Yunnan Dayanghong Group, China. Continuing the diversification strategy, Alpitia is exploring its potential in community-based ecotourism prospects. Thalgaswala Watercross is the first project of this nature, which is handled in collaboration with Aitken Spence Travels. Maintaining the company-owned guest bungalows with high-quality living standards while keeping its heritage values will give a different business edge to its culture tourism business arm. Our continuous forestry management programs have helped to improve the biodiversity on our plantations and enhance the environmental value at a greater extent. The current extent of forestry is approximately 750 hectares. We do believe conducting of CSR activities is one of our major responsibilities towards the society, while ensuring the other 2 pillars of corporate sustainability, that is financial sustainability and the environmental sustainability. Immense efforts have been made to upgrade the working environment and living standards of the estate employees. We will strive